Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to tag and mention someone on your WhatsApp status. So with the new update on WhatsApp, you can now tag and mention someone with your WhatsApp status. To access this feature, if you can't find this function, what you want to do is go to your App Store, open the App Store, and in the search section for your App Store, you want to search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. You see updates if you need an update in this section. So you might need to update your WhatsApp to access this feature. Once updated, you can go ahead and open WhatsApp. At the bottom, you'll see the update for status and tap on the camera icon to update the status. Now choose a file you want to upload and go ahead and make every necessary adjustment you need to make to update your status. Now once you're done, you want to come to this section and tap on done. Under the add the caption, you'll see the @ sign in this section, and this will pull up your contacts that you can tag or mention to your WhatsApp status. Tap on the contact you want to tag and mention. You can select multiple contacts in this section and check on this. Tap on the send icon and your status will be posted. Now on the viewer's account, they will see that you mentioned them on your WhatsApp status. They can easily open on your message and tap on the status to view status. They can also repost status when they tap on the repost button in this section to repost to their WhatsApp status. They still won't be able to save WhatsApp status to their mobile. So if you want to know how to save someone's WhatsApp status, you can watch the next video on how to do so. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.